You are going to love the 2019 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.